Hey guys, and on today's video, we're going to be looking at your purchases right here on your phone. It doesn't matter which iPhone you guys have, it's going to be the exact same instructions for all of you. So go right into your app store. In your app store, you're going to see on the top right hand corner, you're going to see your device's name or your name. Just tap on that icon. Once you tap there, you're going to see purchases. That's going to be your first option. Purchased. So just tap on purchased. From here, going to my purchases, and then you're gonna see all your purchases. So right here, it's gonna include everything that's free plus paid apps. If you're looking for a specific app, you can tap on search and just search for that specific app, or you can scroll down and see all the apps that you ever downloaded right here. Now, if you want to look at something that it's not on your phone at this point in time, you can go into not on this phone, your second option, and also scroll down and take a look at all your purchase history. And to re-download any of these, just tap on that cloud icon. So for example, this one for Ted, and then it's just gonna download to my phone. That is whether it's paid or free, it's gonna be the same thing. You do not have to pay for the same app again if it's already under your purchase selection. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.